What's up guys? Today I got my hands on the Alliwava GH9 Mini PC. Powered by the Intel Core i9 processor, it promises serious desktop performance in a tiny form factor. But does it really deliver? Well, let's find out, shall we? Roll the intro. Now inside the box you will find a quick start guide. This comes with an HDMI cable, a SATA connection cable, a power adapter, and of course the mini PC itself. Now price wise, the GH9 with 32 gigs of RAM and 1TB internal storage currently sells for £429 on the official website, with free shipping and 2-year warranty included. If we talk about specs, the GH9 is powered by the Intel Core i9 12900HK, which runs on 14 cores, 20 threads, and can boost up to 5 GHz turbo. It comes with 32 gigs of DDR4 dual channel RAM, upgradable to 64 gigs, and a 1TB PCIe 2280 SSD that's also expandable to 4 TB. Graphics are handled by Intel Iris Xe, running at up to 1.45 GHz. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 and dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports. For display out, you have an HDMI port supporting up to 4K 60. We've got DisplayPort supporting up to 8K at 60Hz and Thunderbolt 4, which even supports an external GPU. Design-wise, the chassis is compact with a brushed metal finish. You've got good ventilation on both sides and a dual fan vapor chamber cooling system. Ports are well laid out. You'll find USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, dual Ethernet ports, and an audio jack. It's roughly the size of a paperback book, so it fits neatly behind a monitor or on a desk. Now if we check out the upgrades internally, if you remove the bottom panel, you can easily upgrade both the NVMe SSD and the RAM. There's also support for up to 64 gigs of RAM and up to 4 TB SSD, giving it better flexibility than most compact PCs in this range. Now if we check out Windows properties, it comes with Windows 11 Professional, pre-installed and activated. The OS runs smoothly right out of the box. Startup is quick and multitasking feels fluid with no noticeable lag during typical workloads. If we check out the storage info, the included 1TB PCIe SSD delivers solid performance with read speeds of around 3000 megabytes per second and write speeds close to 2800 megabytes per second in Crystal Disk Mark. That's more than enough for heavy file transfers, media editing and gaming. I also tested out various 4K samples from a USB drive, starting off with the high bitrate Jellyfish demo, and it could handle up to 4K 400 megabits per second, nice and smooth with no issues. I also tested some 4K samples with different file and HDR formats, and they all worked great straight out of the box using the default media player, so I didn't even have to download any codecs to make them play. Now moving on to the gaming tests, while this isn't a gaming focused machine, the Iris Xe graphics can handle lighter titles like Valorant, Rocket League and GTA 5 at 1080p medium with playable frame rates. Heavier games like Cyberpunk or Hogwarts Legacy require lowering the resolution or using an eGPU via the Thunderbolt 4. The thermals stay in check throughout gaming, though the fan does become audible under high loads.
Oh my word, Canelo just got the pound for pound king. Canelo is down as we watch it again one more time.
And here is some Call of Duty Cold War gameplay footage. So that brings us to our benchmarks, beginning with Geekbench, single core score 2300 and multi-core score 10267. And in 3D Mark Firestrike we achieved 5216. And overall time spy score 1828. And in the Antutu benchmark test, this mini PC achieves 799k. And to give you an idea of how this mini PC ranks, here is my top performing mini PC chart of 2025, showing you the latest mini PCs and handhelds and seeing how they compare with each other. Now all mini PCs are ranked by Geekbench multi-core scores, so higher the score, faster the device, and therefore higher it ranks on this chart. For some people who are not bothered about benchmarks, I've also given each device a rating out of 100 based on the overall features and specs. So you can see exactly which mini PC is the most powerful and also which one is the best in terms of overall rating. So based on that, the Alliwava GH9 takes position 14 on this chart with a Geekbench multi-core score of 10267. And based on the overall features, specs and performance, I've given this mini PC an 82 out of 100. Now you can view all my latest charts online at chigstech.com and read them at your leisure and completely free of charge. So there you have it, guys. That was my quick overview of the GH9 mini PC. And here are my thoughts. So this mini PC delivers excellent overall performance thanks to its powerful Intel Core i9 processor that handles demanding tasks with ease. It's a strong choice for productivity, whether you're editing videos, running multiple applications, or using it for professional workloads. One of its standout strengths is the triple 4K display output, allowing you to connect up to 3 monitors at the same time for an immersive and efficient multitasking setup. Connectivity is also a highlight. The GH9 offers solid I/O options, including multiple USB ports, HDMI, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, and even Thunderbolt 4 support for fast data transfer and external GPU expansion. Its compact form factor makes it ideal for setups with limited space, offering desktop-class performance in a small chassis. Plus, the system is upgrade friendly, letting you expand both the RAM and the SSD storage for future performance gains, which adds long-term flexibility. Now onto the caveats. Despite its strengths, the GH9 isn't perfect. The biggest limitation lies within its integrated graphics, which means it's not designed for intensive gaming or heavy 3D rendering. Under sustained workloads, the cooling system can get a bit noisy, producing fairly loud fan noises, and that may bother users who prefer a more quieter setup. Lastly, while connectivity is otherwise strong, the DisplayPort is placed awkwardly, making cable management slightly inconvenient depending on your desk layout. So bottom line, these drawbacks don't take anything away from the GH9's solid value, but they are worth noting if silence, gaming power, or perfect port placement are your priorities. If you can live with those minor drawbacks, the Alliwava GH9 stands out as a premium mini PC that delivers desktop class power in a sleek, upgradable, and highly connected design, perfect for professionals, content creators, and anyone who needs serious performance without the bulk of a traditional desktop tower. Now that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and if you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews and videos, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.